Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to access your company Outlook email from your Android device. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to tap on your Microsoft Outlook app to open it. This will launch the application and load your email interface. Once the app opens and your email has fully loaded, you're ready to proceed with adding your company account. Now direct your attention to the top left part of your mobile screen. You'll notice an Outlook icon there. Go ahead and tap on it to open your Outlook settings menu. This icon serves as the gateway to all your account management and configuration options. When you tap it, a menu will slide in from the left side of your screen, displaying various options and settings available to you. From this side menu that just appeared, look toward the bottom part of the screen. You'll see a gear icon, which represents your settings. Tap on this gear icon to open your Outlook settings panel. This is where you can manage all aspects of your Outlook app, including adding new email accounts, which is exactly what you need to do to access your company email. Once your Outlook settings panel has opened, scan through the available options until you find one labeled Accounts. Tap on it to open your account's settings page. This section allows you to view all currently connected email accounts and add new ones. Under your account settings, you'll see an option that says Add Account. Simply tap on it to begin the process of connecting your company email. Next, you'll need to look for the option that says Add an email account and tap on it. This will bring up a login screen specifically designed for adding new email addresses to your Outlook app. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your company Outlook email credentials. Simply type in your company email address in the first field, then enter your password in the second field. Make sure you input these credentials accurately, as they need to match exactly what your company provided to you for accessing your work email. And that's it. You've successfully configured your Android device to access your company Outlook email, allowing you to stay connected with work communications right from your phone. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.